My name is Talula De Silva. I'm an architect trying to promote sustainable building, and I also am co-founder of a community classroom. It's an initiative that we started during the pandemic, and the idea was basically to get children into a safe space where they could be helped, because many of the children come from underprivileged community and many didn't have access to phones or devices, and the idea was to teach them beyond the classroom and give them certain facilities. During the pandemic, we also had an opportunity to involve in various campaigns and protests. One of the key things that we do with the children is to teach them values. We do a lot of value building, and of course teach them about environment awareness.
Hey, I'm Vikram. I'm currently studying in Standard 11. I feel the main quality of a good leader would be to listen to the people and to know its shortcomings and where it needs to improve. See, the leader can't be on ground looking at all the problems, so the main thing is having awareness and knowing what the people are asking for, where it needs to improve, and maybe providing amenities where it knows those amenities are not there in that place.
During the pandemic, there were a lot of campaigns that citizens were running, whether it was the Save Moulin protest or the Save Talegaon Field protest or the Vaingini Beach seawall protest. We made sure that children were taken on ground to get an experience of what it is like to fight for the environment and fight for the cause of the environment.
I did contribute to Save Moulin. I wrote a poem and participated in a video. Other than that, I actively took part in the protests in Talegaon for the fields.
In the month of October, there was one incident where in Karanzale, there was along the beach, there was a massive, cutting off the certain section of the beach where there were sand dunes and there were trees. And we just heard reports on social media, and then amongst our group of activists, we got a call for a protest planting on a certain date. It was in the first week of October. Since we work with children, we mobilize children to go on ground to be able to plant trees. So we made arrangements for saplings in our community garden. We had certain saplings, mango and various others, and we decided to bring them. Some of the children made lovely posters of the importance of protecting environment, why trees are important, and many other things. But what happened was, when we came on ground at the appointed time, we found that there were a lot of people. Not just that, there was already a section of the path where the trees were cut and the space was cleared with coconut saplings. So it was very shocking to us to see that this was already done. And what was more shocking was there were also many of the local representatives here. In the first incident, a couple of girls felt faint, and instead of doing anything, the mayor came and said, "What are you doing? Why are you using children?" And we were shocked, because our constant approach is to inculcate values to children, and here children were playing a proactive role in planting or attempting to plant where there was already trees that were removed.
So this was the place where we came to do protest plantation. Basically what happened, there was a new hotel which was being built, and which, when it finished, overnight some trees were being cut to make a pathway to the beach. We already had a small pathway for which tourists and villagers used to use, but they were planning to make a big road. They cut trees, and the next day we wanted to do a protest plantation. So when we came, there were politicians and all the elected representatives there. We came, and after a few while of planting trees, they started a fight like why did you all bring the kids here?
We did this because in schools we teach children about tree plantations, about protecting environment, about the destruction, about climate change, and if they don't have first hand practical knowledge, then what is the value of the education that we give? After that, as we finished the work and we were returning, what happened was suddenly, many of the corporators started making comments. Why are these children brought here? Who are y'all? They started questioning the children. They were very intimidating. They said, "Tum log kahan se aaye ho? Have you all been paid to be brought here?"
The qualities of a good leader are to protect nature, be nature conservative, and also protect girls and keep them safe, because a lot of murder cases and rape cases are going on.
लड़की लोग को सेफ प्रोटेक्ट करने का और फॉरेस्ट डिफॉरेस्ट नहीं करने का, तो फॉरेस्ट को सेव करने का.
To stop deforestation and to plant more trees.